it actually turned over. Really healthy sounding too. Try it again. There's no gas in it, so, well, there is. Bad gas. I think it tripped. Yep. There's no fuel going into it. The lines are off. Wow. That's pretty nice. Sounds healthy. .5 horsepower. Twin. Hood stays like a dream. Nightmare. That's okay. Alright, perfect. Good chance it'll start. Wow. Sounds great. I'll check the oil and it might work. Tires are good. I'll air up the rest. Ooh, lots of belts. Lots of tuggy belts. Belts look good. Pulley looks like it might have been replaced. I don't know. Maybe not. Oh, snails or slugs? Snails. Nice though.